There are several ways your firearm can end up in police custody in Alabama. Maybe it was seized during an arrest or as part of a criminal investigation. Perhaps an officer believed there was an immediate safety concern and took it under Alabama's emergency relinquishment rules. Or it might have been removed after a domestic violence order, a mental health proceeding, or even tied to a civil forfeiture case. Whatever the reason, once your gun is gone, getting it back isn't simple. Today on The Right Slant, we're breaking down the real, factual process for getting your firearm returned in the state of Alabama. Quick disclaimer, this is information, not legal advice, but if you're dealing with a seizure, these are the facts you need to know. The very first step is knowing why your gun was taken. That one fact decides everything that comes next. Was it taken as evidence in a criminal case? Was it seized for an immediate safety concern? Or did the state claim it under civil forfeiture laws? Each of those follows completely different rules and timelines. If your firearm was seized as evidence, law enforcement keeps it until the case is resolved. That means until charges are dropped, you're acquitted, or you've served your sentence. Only then can you ask for it back. You'll need to contact the property unit of the department that took it. Ask for their property release form or written procedure. You'll need proof of ownership, like a purchase receipt or serial number. And yes, they'll usually run a background check before returning it. Hey, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to The Right Slant. And no, not the notification bell. Let's not overdo it. We've got more state-by-state breakdowns coming soon to keep you informed about your gun rights and how the law actually works. Under Alabama law, officers can temporarily take a firearm if they believe it's immediately necessary to prevent harm. These seizures are supposed to be temporary, but they still go through official channels. You'll need to contact the seizing agency, ask for the incident report, and find out exactly what they require for the firearm to be released. Stay calm, organized, and factual. That's how you get results. Now, civil forfeiture is a different story. If your firearm was taken because it was allegedly tied to a crime, it's handled under Alabama Code Section February 20th, 93. You must file a formal claim to contest the forfeiture, usually within a short deadline. Miss that, and the state keeps the firearm. No hearing, no second chances. So if that's your case, get a lawyer now and file immediately. If you've got a felony conviction, a domestic violence restraining order, or any federal firearm prohibition, the agency cannot legally return your gun. To fix that, you'll need to go through the Alabama Board of Pardons and Paroles, or the rights restoration process. Even with a state pardon, the federal prohibition might still apply, so you have to clear both systems before you're legally eligible again. Here's your step-by-step checklist. 1. Get all documentation, seizure receipt, police report, case number. 2. Identify the reason, evidence, emergency, or forfeiture. 3. Contact the agency and get their release policy in writing. 4. Prove ownership and eligibility receipts, serial numbers, background check. 5. If it's forfeiture, file right away, deadlines are strict. 6. If there's an open criminal case, wait until it's resolved. Follow those steps and you're working from facts, not frustration. If your case involves forfeiture, criminal charges, or rights restoration, get a lawyer who knows Alabama firearm law. These are legal processes with hard deadlines and specific filings. A qualified attorney can protect your rights and property before it's too late. So here's the bottom line. In Alabama, getting your firearm back depends on why it was taken, what law applies, and whether you're legally eligible. It's not automatic, it's not instant, but if you follow the facts, keep records, and stay within the law, you can get it returned. Thanks for watching The Right Slant. If this helped you understand the process, like, subscribe, and stick around. Next time we're comparing how other southern states handle firearm seizures. Stay factual, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.